Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome you all to the industrial pharmacy class. And today lecture we will discuss a new topic entitled is new chapter, that is clarification and filtration. In this lecture we will discuss the subtopics related to clarification and filtration, including the theory, filter media, filter aids, and the filter selection criteria and equipments. Dear students, the main objectives of today's lecture is to learn about the clarification and filtration, the basic theory regarding these topics, and the different filter media and filter aids used for the filtration purpose, and the criteria for selection of filter and the various equipments used for this purpose. Dear students, after the completion of this lecture, you will be able to learn about clarification and filtration, the basic theoretical background, what is meant by filter media and different filter medias, and what is filter aids and various types of filter aids, the filter selection criteria and equipments, including different types of equipment, including leaf filter, filter press, meta filters, and rotary filter. Before going to discussion about clarification and filtration, first of all I would like to discuss some of the definitions used in this chapter. First one is filtration. Filtration is the separation of solid material from a fluid by means of a porous medium, and that porous medium like the filter medium or filter. From that porous medium, retaining of the solid material and that separation of the solid from fluid, but this porous medium allows the fluid to pass. So it is clear from the definition that in filtration we are going to separate the solid material from the liquid or fluid material, but here we are using for retention of the solid material from the liquid or fluid porous medium, and characteristic properties or salient features of that particular porous medium that is used for the retention of solid material, and the fluid is passing through this porous medium. Another terminology that is termed as clarification. The term clarification is applied when the solid material don't exceed 1%, and filtrate is the primary product. If we require the filtrate as a primary product and solid don't exceed 1%, then we use the term clarification in this case. When we require filtrate as a primary product, remember this concentration, that is the solid content or material don't exceed 1% in this case of slurification, where filtrate is required to be the primary product. Cake filtration, if recovery of solid is desired, if you require the solid material, the process is called cake filtration. In case of the necessitates of the solid material, then the cake filtration is done. Feed or slurry means the suspension of solid in liquid to be filtered is known as slurry or feed. The feed means or the slurry means that the suspension or that is the combination or mixture of solid and liquid that is to be filtered. Unprocessed material that we want to filter is termed as feed or slurry. Apart from this definition, there are certain other terminologies used on classification and filtration topics, including filter medium, that is the porous medium that is used to retain the solid and allow the fluid, is described as filter medium. Filter cake is the accumulation of solids on the filter or filter medium that is referred to as the filter cake. Filtrate means the clear liquid or fluid passing through the porous medium that is termed as filtered is termed as filtrate. In this part of the lecture, we will discuss factors affecting rate of filtration. There are a number of factors which affect rate of filtration. Some of the factors including area of filter surface. If we increasing the area of filter surface, then the rate of filtration will be increased. Similarly, other factors including particle size of cake solid, pore size of filter media, the resistance of the filter cake and filter media, viscosity of liquid to be filtered, temperature, pressure difference across the filter. These are some of the factors which affect the rate of filtration. The equation used for determination of the rate of filtration or filtration rate, using this equation, the rate concept is expressed and modification of Paschal equation which can be written as dV by dt is equal to capital AP and micro and alpha multiplied by W divided by A plus R, where V is the volume of filtrate. In this case, the change in volume divided by change in time, T is the time, and the unit time, the volume of filtrate, if it is filtered in a unit time, then it is termed as rate of filtration. The rate of filtration is directly proportional to the factor that is A, that is the filter area, and P is the total pressure drop through cake and filter medium. If we apply more pressure, then the rate of filtration will be increased. If the filter area is more, then the rate of filtration will be increased. Similarly, certain other factors to which the rate of filtration is an indirect proportionality, including that is mu or micron filtrate viscosity. If we increase the filtrate viscosity, then the rate of filtration will be lower. Similarly, alpha average specific cake resistance, if we increase this one, and the rate of filtration will be decreased. And W, that is weight of dry cake solid, that is also indirectly proportional, and R is the resistance of filter medium and filter. This equation has explanation or expression of the rate of filtration concept, that is the modification of the Paschal equation. Another topic related to clarification and filtration, that is filter media. Filter media is the surface upon which solids, material are deposited in a filter, that is called the filter medium. And there are some salient properties of ideal filter media, including that chemical inertness, high retention power, sufficient mechanical strength, absorb negligible amount of material, resistance to the corrosive action of liquid. These are some of the ideal filter media properties. Selection of filter media. Selection of filter media depends upon the following factors, including size of particle to be filtered, amount of liquid to be filtered, that is feed, nature of product to be filtered, and the purpose of filter. There are different types of filter media, including one of the prominent and widely used, commonly used medium, that is termed as filter paper. It is one of the filter medium. Filter paper is a common filter medium since it offers controlled porosity, limited absorption characteristic, and low cost. These are the properties due to which the filter medium is filter paper is widely used or commonly used as filter medium. It has different grades and qualities, different for size such as coarse, medium, and fine. So different grades of the filter paper. Disadvantages including the shed very fine particles to the filtrate, absorbs smaller quantity of the liquid. The liquid quantity is absorbed on the filter paper in small amount. That is one of the disadvantages. Another filter medium is woven material, including cotton, silk, wool, nylon, and cloth, etc. Nylon cloth is one of the woven material due to some of the properties like superior to the cotton cloth, not affected by molds, fungus, and bacteria, has negligible absorption properties, and it is extremely strong as compared to the cotton cloth. It is nylon cloth. Woven wire cloth, that is made from stainless steel, easily clean, long lasting, resistant to the chemical. These are some of the properties of the woven wire cloth. Similarly, cotton wool is also used, commonly used as filter medium. Small tuft of cotton wool placed in the neck of funnel, and glass wool used for filtering highly corrosive chemical may contaminate the filtrate with glass fiber. Asbestos is another example, also used for filtering the corrosive liquid. They impart alkalinity to the filtrate. The chloride may get absorbed, may contaminate the filtrate. These are some of the properties. Another example is membrane filter. These are very commonly used among the ultrafiltration methods, made up of cellulose, PVC, abbreviated is PVC for abbreviation, that is polyvinyl chloride, abbreviated is PVC, nylon, and other cellulose derivatives to which the membrane filters are made up. They are rare, very fine, having a very wide range of pore size from 8 micron down to 0.22 micron, and that is one of the figure indicating the membrane filter. Bacteria are captured by the filter. Here you can see in the water sample, and the liquid, it is water, passes through the filter, and the bacteria are captured or retained on the membrane filter. The pore size in micron are shown here in the table, and the particles removed properties. 0.2 micron, all bacteria are removed, if you use the pore size 0.45 micron, then all coliform group bacteria are removed successfully. In case of the pore size of the uh, membrane filter, that is zero point 0.8, all airborne particles, and 1.2 if it is larger than zero point 0.8. Then all non-living particles considered dangerous and intravenous fluid can be easily removed. And if the pore size in micron is 5 micron, all significant cell-formed body fluid can be successfully removed using uh, 5 micron pore size membrane filter. Advantages of membrane filters. There are certain advantages, including the bacteria are removed by the sieving process and absorption of medicament is negligible. That is one of the another advantage. And every new operation or new disk is used in case of the membrane filter. Filtration is quite rapid. Don't liberate particles to the filtrate, and thereby not particles the part of the filtrate. There are certain drawbacks or disadvantages of the membrane filters if we use, like fine pores may get clogged easily or blocked easily. If the pore size is fine, then there's a chances of clogging. And another disadvantage is soluble in certain organic solution like ketones and esters, and very brittle when dry. It becomes brittle when dry, so that is another disadvantage of the membrane filter. Cough filter, it is another example of the membrane of the filter medium, mainly used in plate and film filters. They offer controlled porosity, limited absorption, and quite cheap. Quite cheap because of the cheapness. Cough filters with a limited absorption and offer controlled porosity, and used in the plate and film filter because of these advantages. Central glass consists of pyric glass powder used for filtering parental formulations, useful for filtering the corrosive liquid and oxidizing agent. Don't shed particles, don't absorb any liquid. These are some of the prominent characteristic properties of the centered glass with a filter medium. Another topic related to this chapter, that is termed as filter aids. Filter aid is basically the substances which, when added to the liquid or fluid to be filtered, reduce the resistance of the filter cage and increase the filtration. In order to increase the filtration rate, if we add some of the substances to the liquid to be filtered or feed, then the reduction in the resistance of the filter cake will be occurred, and thereby the rate of filtration will be increased. And these substances which increase the rate of filtration is termed as filter aid. There are certain properties of filter aids, including chemical inertness, low specific gravity, and solubility in the liquid or fluid, form a porous cake, and thereby increasing the filtration rate, free from impurities. Contamination chances are low. Suitable particle size with irregular shape, able to remain suspended in liquid, free from moisture. These are some of the properties of the ideal filter aid. The table showing the filter aid materials. On the left side you can see material like diatomaceous earth. The chemical composition of silica, it is made up of silica, and advantages include wide size ranges, and disadvantages is slightly soluble in acid and alkalis. Similarly, the material that is perlite, that is made up of chemically silica and aluminum silicate. Advantages include wide size range, more soluble. There is a disadvantage. Similarly, asbestos, that is chemically composed of aluminum silicate, very good retention, are coarse free and more soluble. That is a disadvantage. Cellulose, that is made up of cellulose, chemically inert, expensive, that is disadvantage. Carbon, made up of carbon and non-reactive with strong alkalis and expensive. And this is the table for the filter aid material, including their chemical composition and prominent advantages and disadvantages. Now, in this part of the lecture, regarding to the clarification and filtration, we will discuss the equipment selection. On the first page, we will select the equipment. Ideally, the equipment chosen should be selected on the basis of some of the prominent properties, including the first one, that is allow a fast filtration rate to minimize production cost. If filtration rate is fast, then the production cost will be low or minimum. The second criteria for the selection is its cheapness, and there is no extra cost, and that's why it's become cheap to buy and use. The third properties an equipment is that can be easily cleaned and resistant to corrosion and are capable of filtering large volume of product before the filter needs to be stripped down for cleaning or replacement. A large quantity or large volume filtration capacity and cleanliness easily done and resistance to corrosion, that will be selected. There are a number of product related factors that should be considered when one is selecting a filter for a particular process. These include the chemical nature of the product. If you select a filter equipment, then we should consider the chemical nature of the product. Interaction with the filter medium may lead to leaching of the filter components, degradation or swelling of the filter medium, or absorption of the components of filter product onto the filter. And all of these factors may affect the efficiency of the filtration process or the quality of the filter product. Not only we have to select the, you have to consider the filters, the filtration process efficiency. We also considering the quality of the filter product. Regarding the selection of the filter equipment, the volume to be filtered and the filtration rate required, this dictates the size and type of equipment and the amount of time needed for the filtration process. On the basis of the volume, that how much volume to be filtered and what the filtration rate is required, and on the basis of these two criteria, we have to select the size and type of equipment we need for the process of filtration. The operating pressure needed, this is important in governing the filtration rate and influences whether the vacuum filter where the pressure difference is limited to approximately 100 kilopascal is appropriate. High operating pressure required, that the equipment is of sufficient strength, and that appropriate safe operating procedure are adopted. Here in this example, the pressure needed is in this process is also considered, and on the basis of the pressure needing, we have to select the equipment. The amount of material to be removed, this will affect the choice of filter, as a large load may necessitate the use of pre-filters or may require a filter where the cake can be continuously removed, because if the cake is formed, then there will be effect on the rate of filtration and the amount of the material to be filtered will be definitely takes time. Now there are certain equipment we will discuss in this part of the lecture, including one of that is leaf filter. The construction is simplest form of filter. It consists of frame and with drainage screen or a good plate is enclosed. Whole unit is here you can see it is one of the frame that is filter leaf. A frame you can see the drainage canal in this and a filter cross surrounding uh, this frame and filtrate into suction. It is connected. That is one of the diagram of the filter leaf. And filter leaf during filtration, when it is filtering, there is a slurry surrounding this filter cloth. It is filter cake is formed and frame and filtrate as shown in this figure B. It is definitely slurry which is to be filtered, and this is the simplest form of filter. It consists of frame in which drainage screen or good plate is enclosed. Whole unit is covered with filter media. That is a filter cloth. You can see that is the filter cloth. The whole unit that is surrounded by the filter medium. That is filter cloth. Outlet is connected to the vacuum pump. Frame may be shaped in round, square or rectangular shape. The operation is the leaf filter or filter leaf is placed in a vessel containing the feed or liquid to be filtered. When the vacuum is applied, the pressure inside the leaf is decreased due to the difference in external and internal pressure inside the leaf. The liquid moves inside the filter through the filter cloth, which is used as a filter media. In this piece of equipment, the filtrate is collected in the receiver and can get collected on outside of the filter cloth. Outside of the filter cloth, the filter cake is received. The filtrate is moved from this drainage cream towards this area. Advantage of the filter leaf is that liquid can be filtered from any vessel by dipping in the particular vessel in which feed is kept. Filter cake can be removed simply by washing or blowing it. It is very economical. The disadvantage is that it is not effective when the solid material content and the feed or liquid is more than 5%. If we increase the solid content above this range, then it is not effectively used. Another equipment that is filter press. The plate and frame press is the simplest form of all pressure filters and have a wide application. And filter press, one of the simplest form is plate and frame filter. And plate and frame filter press, which is constructed consisting of the hollow frames and solid plates. The frame is open and is used as an inlet for the material to be filtered. Plates have good surface to the support the filter cloth. You can see the filter cloth, and this wash concentrate and filter cake is over here, and wash liquid in this area. Filter cloth is fitted on each side of the plate. You can see the plate on each side of the plate. You can see that filter cloth is fitted. Plates and frames are placed alternatively and fitted an outer frame of the press. Each plate has an outlet for filtrate, that is wash liquid, and similarly it has inlet and outlet. Each plate acts as a single filtration unit. The outlet of each plate is connected to a common outlet pipe. Now about the working of operation of this piece of equipment. The filtering liquid enters the frame under pressure from the feed channel. The filtrate passes through the filter medium onto the surface of the plate. The filtrate is collected through common outlet pipe and the cake is deposited in the frame. The process of filtration is continued until the frame is filled with filter cake. When the process is stopped, the frame is emptied and the cycle is restarted. Advantages of this piece of equipment is that filtering media can be used repeatedly. Filter cloth can be easily replaced. If we replace the filter cloth, then we can use operation and maintenance are easy. It requires less space, provides a large surface area for filtration. Efficient washing of cake is possible. Disadvantages are it is not continuous process. The process becomes costlier because of lot of labor is required for washing and replacement of the filter cloth. Leakage between the plates may take place. It is one of the drawbacks and suitable when the slurry contains less than 5% solid. Metafilter is another piece of equipment. The filters which are used to separate very fine size particles from the liquid or solid suspension. It is made of a series of metal rings and contains a metal good drainage ward on which a series of metal rings are fixed. These rings are usually made of stainless steel and have dimension of about 15 millimeters. Internal diameter and external diameter is 22 millimeters. Each metal ring has a number of semicircular projections 0.8 millimeter in thickness on each one side of the surface, and when they are pegged on the rod, the opening between the ring is 0.2 millimeter. The projections are arranged the same way up. The entire assembly is inside pressure vessel containing a liquid to be filtered. When vacuum applied, liquid will flow from outside to inside. The liquid that is feed and the clear liquid is collected into a receiver from the top. The pickup ring acts as a base on which the true filter medium is supported. Advantages similarly possessing considerable strength and hence can withstand high pressure, economical, corrosive liquid can be filtered without any problem. Cake can be removed effectively without any difficulty. It is used for verification of syrup, elixir and parental solution. And roti filters, that is the principle behind the roti filter is that the slurry filtered through sieve-like mechanism on the rotation drum surface under the condition of vacuum. In addition, compression, drying using hot air and removing the filter cake using knife are possible. The construction is that consists of metal cylinder mounted horizontally. The drum may be up to 3 meters in diameter and 3.5 meters in length and gives surface area of 20 meters square. The core surface being a perforated plate supporting a filter cloth. Internally it is divided into several sectors and separate connection is made up between each sector and special roti wall. And this is a block diagram of the roti filters including different zones. This is the suction area and filtration zone, and this pot, this is a cake found over here, and this is a washing zone, the watering zone, and the solid product that is collected through knife. And this is the table indicating the different zones of the rotary vacuum filter position and the pickup zone position, that is slurry, that is the pickup zone, the central duct you can see, services vacuum and that is connected to filter receiver. The drainage zone, it is services vacuum, washing zone, wash sprays, services vacuum and wash water receiver. Similarly, the drying and cake removal. In some cases, for example, when the solid is the required product, the same receiver may be used for the filtrate and for wash water. The drum is dipped into slurry and vacuum applied to the outlet, which is connected to the filtrate receiver. When the cake is formed, the cake drained or partially dried by vacuum. The drum is sprayed with water to wash the cake, retaining the vacuum connection drains the cake and produces partial dryness, then removed by when the solid of the slurry are too much that the filter cloth becomes blocked with the particles, a free filter may be used. A pre-coat filter appeared is deposited on the drum prior to the filtration process. Uses of the rotary filter for the continuous operation of large quantity of slurry. Suitable for slurry contains considerable amounts of fluoride that is higher compared to the other one, that is 15 to 30%. Example of the pharmaceutical application include the collection of calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, and straws, the separation of the mycelium from the fermentation liquid, and the manufacture of antibiotics. Advantages automatically and continuously used operation so that labor costs are very low. Filter has a large capacity, so it is suitable for the filtration of highly concentrated solution. Variation of speed of rotation enables the cake thickness to be controlled. Pre-coat of filter aid could use to accelerate the filtration rate. Filter has large surface area, and the disadvantages include complex one and very expensive. In addition to filter itself, some accessories are connected. For example, vacuum pump, vacuum receiver, slurry pumps, and agitators are required, and that's become one of the complex operations. The cake tends to crack due to the air drawn through by the vacuum system, so that washing and drying are not so efficient. Being a vacuum filter, the pressure difference is limited to 1 bar and hot filtrate with 1. It is suitable only for straightforward slurry. References you can consult Lakeman, the theory and practice of industrial pharmacy. Similarly, Walton Pharmaceutics may be consulted. The design of manufacture of medicine, 5th edition. Thank you all for your attention.